video very soon as promised, and abhi summers aa gaye hain, so I thought why not show you the blended silk cotton jamdanis that I have. These are very nice sarees to wear in summers. In fact ye all year round you can wear them very comfortably. The fabric is very soft. It has got blended silk and uske sath cotton का mix. Okay, the cotton is pure, the silk is not pure, which is why it is called blended cotton silk या blended रेशम जामदानी. Okay, and ये जामदानी का जो fabric होता है that is a little bit see through, but when you layer it, when you wear it, it is not very transparent, but yes, it has that organza का जैसे delicate vibe होता है, और चंदेरी sarees, you know, it has that kind of vibe. Just go to the website, you will see all the sarees draped and you will have an idea कि कैसे लग रहा है. Very soft fabric, and you can see very soft fabric it is, and this is the kind of see-throughness it has, the opacity, and if you layer it, see on double layer it is almost gone. So yes, इसमें अगर आपको transparent sarees नहीं पसंद है, then also you can go for it. It is not that एकदम transparent नहीं है ये. So yes, this one is a gap jamdani. Gap why? Because you can see that in between the weaving, the jamdani weaving, in between you get to see a gap, which is why it is called gap jamdani. But the palla has this work, जो कि यहाँ से शुरू हो जाएगा. If you wear it properly, yes, it will start from somewhere here, and it has got contrast work jamdani का. And ये जो sarees है जो मैं आज दिखा रही हूँ, दे आर ऑल पावरलूम साड़ीज, मशीन मेड साड़ीज हैं. ओके, दीज आर नॉट हैंड वुवन, सो आई एम जस्ट क्लैरिफाइंग बिफोर हैंड ओनली. एंड इसके साथ इस साड़ी में यू गेट टू सी सीक्वेंस वर्क भी है यहाँ पे, यू कैन सी. एंड दिस इज प्रॉपरली वीव्ड, इट इज नॉट मतलब ऐसे चिपकाया हुआ नहीं है, और नॉट इवन एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड, इट इज प्रॉपरली वीव्ड वाइल मेकिंग द साड़ी. ओके, एंड इसका जो प्राइस है दैट इज ओनली 1600. ये साड़ीज पे ब्लाउज पीसेस नहीं है, सो यू हैव टू डू मिक्स एंड मैच अकॉर्डिंगली. So keep that in mind. So yes, let's move on to the next. Same pattern in green and red combination, a deep red and fresh leafy green. Again, the pattern is gap jamdani, and you will see sequins weaved into the sari. Okay, all over the sari you get that also. And this is the palla. The palla has most elaborate work in the entire sari. Body is very plain with only the sequins and gap portions having the same jamdani pattern that is there on the palla. Okay, again a very smart piece and very comfortable sarees for summers or all year round. And these sarees do not come with blouse pieces. The price is 1600 for this one. Lovely fresh color. This is a sea green, pastel sea green, and a very summery color as well. And इस पे you get this type of packed jamdani work, and you can see दो layer में it's hardly transparent. You can also see that in the website. आप जाके check कर सकते हैं. And this is the pattern you get all over the saree. Okay, machine made sarees है, very comfortable. These are not starched. अगर आपको वो polished, hard polish वाला look चाहिए, then you can definitely starch these and it will give you that crisp जामदानी का जो look होता है. But these are soft owing to the fact that many people these days don't like starching their sarees, which is why I have got the soft variety. Okay, but this is the same thing that can be starched and made crisp. Okay, इसका जो price है that is 1750 rupees. This is the palla. Sari doesn't have a blouse piece. I will show you the palla close up. Okay, this is the pattern. Blouse piece नहीं है. 1750 is the price. This is again a lovely sari, similar pattern, full body पे जाल work you get. थोड़ा बी हाइव जैसा पैटर्न है एंड इन द सेंटर यू गेट दिस लवली बूटा गोल्ड जरी का. सो दिस साड़ी हैज अ फेस्टिव वाइब. थोड़ा सा यू नो कैजुअल स्मॉल ओकेजन्स के लिए भी यू कैन वेयर इट. ऑफिस वेयर के लिए तो ऑफ कोर्स दीज साड़ीज आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर फॉर एंटायर डे. वेरी लाइट वेट एज वेल. एंड ये इसका पल्ला है. द कलर इज अ लाइट पर्पल. प्राइस इज अगेन 1750. ओके. एंड इसमें भी ब्लाउज पीस नहीं है. इनफैक्ट किसी भी साड़ी में ब्लाउज पीस नहीं है अभी जो भी मैं दिखाऊंगी. एंड it has got another color which is slightly darker. Okay, I am just for comparing, I am showing them together right now. This is dark purple and this is light purple. In the website you will see both these sarees listed separately. This is dark purple, this is light purple. Okay, just clarifying. So yes, let's go and see this saree in detail. So this is the deep purple. अगेन सेम पैटर्न है बी हाइव वाला. यू कैन सी दैट सेंटर में इसके भी गोल्डन जरी बूटा है. दिस इज द बॉर्डर. दिस इज द पल्ला. दिस इज अगेन वेरी नाइस कलर. अगर आपको वो कलर थोड़ा ज्यादा लाइट लग रहा था यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. इनके साथ भी ब्लाउज पीस नहीं है तो यू कैन पेयर इट विद अ व्हाइट ब्लाउज. हकोबा ब्लाउजेस, चिकनकारी ब्लाउजेस लुक रियली नाइस विद जामदानी. और यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर अ मिक्स एंड मैच. और यू नो इवन यू कैन गो फॉर अ डार्क पर्पल, डीप पर्पल ब्लाउज विच विल लुक रियली नाइस. Again, a little festive touch is there because of the zari there, and can be worn almost to any place, anywhere without much thought. Very lightweight and comfortable fabric. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा crisp look चाहिए जामदानी का, then you can just starch it and it will become that crisper version. Okay, so let's move on to the next. Same saree in sky blue color. Again, this is a very pretty one. अगर आपको blue shades पसंद है then you can go for this. इस पे भी you get to see that the pattern is same. इस पे भी you get to see that zari work है थोड़ा सा to make it a little festive and very comfortable wear. No fuss sarees होती हैं कुछ अपनी wardrobe में जिसको कि पहनने से पहले बहुत सोचना नहीं पड़ता. So these are that kind of sarees. इसके साथ आपको ब्लाउज अरेंज करना पड़ेगा because they don't have any attached blouse piece. Usually हकोबा चिकनकारी ब्लाउजेस बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और you can go for the same shade as well. Okay, price is again same 1750 and I have another shade similar तो इसलिए मैं फिर से आपको साथ में दिखा रही हूँ. Okay, if you see both together then you can see that this has slightly more blue in it. Okay, so website पे this is surf blue जो कि थोड़ा सा deep है इससे and this is sky blue. Okay, so this color is sky blue and this is surf blue. You can select according to your same color, just slightly more blue. This is more clean blue I would say. I am again showing you for comparison जो कि अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया हो तो if you see the saree that I am sharing right now, this is more blue. Okay, so this is named sky blue और इसका जो नाम है वेबसाइट पे that is surf blue. Okay, choose accordingly to avoid confusion and very nice color. This also is a very good one. This is the palla. Don't come with a blouse piece और इसका जो प्राइस है that is 1750. Let's move on to the next one. Again same pattern in a very pretty pink. ये जो है it's a lovely fresh pink. बहुत ही अच्छा है कलर. ये बेबी पिंक से थोड़ा डीप है. Okay, it is not baby pink, slightly deeper than, slightly more pinker than baby pink. And वीडियो में right now थोड़ा सा peachy लग रहा है. It is not peach at all. It is proper pink. Maybe because of the sunlight the color is coming out a little warmer than usual. Okay, ये color जो है go to the website, you will see the color properly. Also ये थोड़ा proper pink है. Okay, not peach at all. जो अभी दिख रही है उससे बहुत सुंदर सा पिंक है. When I look here and when I look here there is a gap, so मैं ये mention कर रही हूँ. It's a very pretty pink. Okay, yes, I am showing close up ताकि आपको कलर सही से समझ आए. Okay, it's a very pretty pink. Okay, price again 1750 without blouse piece. This is the palla. Let's move on to the next. का जो कलर है that is bright pink. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा candy pink type का कलर है. Right now that you see इससे थोड़ा और ब्राइट आएगा. ओके, इफ आई हैव टू कंपेयर विद द लास्ट पिंक, देन दिस इज सटलर इन कंपैरिजन. ये सटल है थोड़ा पिंक. दिस इज अ ब्राइट पिंक. बबल गम पिंक आप बोल सकते हैं इसको, कैंडी पिंक भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, एंड इसका जो वर्क है इस पे पूरा भरा हुआ काम है. It has got smaller buttas, so the detailing is more. You get more weaving all over the saree. So थोड़ा सा packed है. And this is the border. This is the palla. Overall slightly more dressier. Also इस साड़ी का length थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है बाकी साड़ी से. It is 5.7 meters. Okay, so you will get good pleats. And fabric as always is very comfortable. You can definitely wear it all year round. And अगर आपको bright colors पसंद है then go for this 2400.